So the Base airdrop is finally coming, and that seems to be the official word from both the creator of Base and one of the lead developers. Base is one of the top Ethereum layer 2s with dozens of apps currently built on its platform. This Base airdrop is geared to be one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to make yourself eligible for this potential airdrop and how you too can start earning rewards. Let's take a look. So again, we've seemingly gotten confirmation from the creator of Base of what the criteria would look like for this potential airdrop. Create and you will be rewarded. Trade on Base, transact on Base, and you will be rewarded. So pretty straightforward. The more you interact on chain, the bigger the potential airdrop will be. There's a cool Base on-chain activity checker, and here you can check to see how active you are on the Base network. You can enter your wallet address C and see what type of activity score you'll get. And the goal is to get closer to the 100 level number. The higher the score, the bigger your airdrop. So first thing is first, I highly recommend you download the official Base app on your smartphone. So whether you're on iOS or Android, go ahead and download the Base app and start using it. And that means creating original posts, transacting on the app, and interacting with other members. And when you're not on your smartphone, whether you're on your desktop, you should acquire some Ethereum on the Base network, and you can use a bridge such as Stargate or even Jumper to bridge over some Ethereum or USDC onto the Base network. Make sure you have the Base network installed on your wallet. You can use the official Coinbase wallet, now known as Base. Make sure you download that for your browser, or you can use something else like MetaMask. Cool, and once you have some tokens on your Base network, you should start making swaps and deposits on Base so you can boost your activity score. So looking over at DeFi Llama, there's over 5 billion total value locked and a few dozen apps you can interact with to boost your score. Another thing you can acquire is a Base username. So over on base.evianname.org, go ahead and connect your wallet and register your own unique base.eth username. Next thing I recommend you interact with is the Airdrop DEX. Airdrop is the biggest DEX built on Base. On here you can swap for dozens of different Base tokens. So I definitely recommend you start making some swaps to boost your activity score. There's also a liquidity section where you can provide liquidity to the platform. This would also boost your on-chain score. Another platform I recommend is Yo Protocol. Yo is a yield optimizer where you make deposits and it earns you a high yield, all built on Base. You will launch the app and there's several different vaults you can choose from, like this Yo USD, which is currently netting you 12% APY. Pretty cool. The rumor is Yo is also having an airdrop, so this would potentially count for a double airdrop. Zora is another app I recommend you interact with. It's a bit of a social and NFT app where you can create posts, create art, and you can buy them and sell them to others. Pretty cool. So make sure you create an account and interact on the app. The rumor is Zora will also be having a second upcoming airdrop. Another app I recommend you use is Limitless. Limitless is a poly market competitor. They are a prediction market, and here you can bet on various things such as the price of crypto. You can bet on political events such as Canada reaching a recession in 2025. Make sure you have some ETH or USDC deposited on the platform. Currently No is trending. That's a 87% probability you would swap it and buy this contract. And Limitless also is having an upcoming airdrop, so currently there's a ton of users farming this platform. And another fun one would be the Virtuals protocol. Virtuals is a token launcher platform where you can launch your own unique token. Currently it's geared towards meme and AI coins, but you get the idea. This is very similar to Pump Fund, and you can buy some of these tokens and make a quick profit. Another one I recommend you interact with is Seamless. Seamless is a yield earning platform where you deposit tokens and it would earn you a yield. Pretty straightforward one-click operation. They make it easy for anyone who doesn't want to manage actively trading. You simply deposit a single token and it would earn a yield for you. Pretty cool. An honorable mention is Beefy Finance, one of my all-time favorites. Beefy is a multi-chain yield optimizer. Beefy also allows you to provide liquidity and earn a yield on your token. Beefy has been around for years and is a trusted player in the DeFi ecosystem. So all in all, if you wanted to find out more about the Base ecosystem, I would recommend you go over to base.org and visit the ecosystem section. And here you can find dozens of apps currently running on Base, and it doesn't hurt to start interacting with some of these apps to boost your activity activity score. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to make yourself eligible for this potential Base airdrop. There's tons of different ways you can interact on a network, so you definitely want to be racking up your transactions. So what do you think about this upcoming Base airdrop? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.